Okay.
Auf den letzten Drücker, Glück. Wir haben noch verschiedene Varianten. Ich spiele jetzt einmal Lotto, würdest du jetzt eigentlich auch spielen? Das ist jetzt wie in Deutschland.
Wie in Deutschland, dann brauchen wir jetzt nicht viel weiter. Okay, jetzt.
So, also Lotto habe ich jetzt. Jetzt haben wir hier Cash-Lotto. Das ist, ich müsste mich jetzt an meinen letzten Traum erinnern, kann ich leider nicht. Ist mir irgendjemand begegnet, also es ist halt, hat die Auswahl zwischen Fisch, Sick Person, Black Girl, White Woman, Black Man, Freshwater, John Crow, White Man. White Man ist gut, oder? 26.
White man is me.
You?
Yeah.
Wow! And how looks a black man there?
I look like a black white man.
Okay, cash pot.
Yeah, cash pot.
What is the next cash pot? 1 p.m. or?
Huh?
1 p.m.
Thank you.
Okay, das kann ich dann ja heute auch machen.
Italian?
1 p.m. Dann haben wir noch 5
Italiano?
p.m.
No, German.
German? Adolf Hitler?
Adolf Hitler, ja.
Das, ja, super. World Cup,
World Cup?
much more better.
Yeah, I want to marry you.
Thanks, and the white man.
Showing up as the World Cup champion.
Der setzt sich mal 100.
Which one are you I can marry? Which one of you ladies I can marry? Yeah, put a camera on me. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, which one of you I can marry? Can marry you?
No,
Why? What's the problem?
you're too late.
I am too late?
Yeah.
No, it's better to be
It's
late.
never too late for a shower of rain.
Rain, I
You
know.
need 2 wings to
Fly
fly.
away. But
Yeah,
it's
I know
better to
all
be
this
late than never.
shit.
It's better to be late than never. So I'm late, but it's better.
Okay, and if I tell you I'm not interested in men, I'm only interested in women?
That's your problem. Not
No,
mine.
it's not a problem.
That's your
Lotto
prerogative.
hat keiner gewonnen.
That's your
Keiner hat
prerogative.
Lotto.
But you can be interested in men also.
No, but I'm
not
not.
having sex.
And then? For what we need a man then?
What you need a man for?
Yeah.
For decent conversation.
For conversation?
Yeah, to turn you over to men.
No.
Yeah, and from women.
A conversation.
Good, positive conversation.
With a man, I prefer than with a woman.
You prefer men with a woman? So you like a threesome or a foursome or a fivesome?
One woman.
One woman for you? So you're a lesbian?
Yeah.
Nothing is wrong with you. That's your way of life.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, but come and kiss me here.
No.
What's the problem?
Why? Why we have to?
Why you have to?
Yeah.
Just a social loving kiss.
No.
Yeah. So what's your name?
I'm not a social person.
You're not a social. You're antisocial?
Yes,
So
totally.
You're socializing with me now.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Because you are attracted to me.
Ah,
Isn't that so?
okay.
Isn't that so? What's your name?
Mrs. Smith.
Mrs. Miss?
Mrs. Smith.
Mrs. Smith?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm gonna change you from Smith to Dwyer.
And Han, this is for this.
That's your name?
Dwyer. D-W-Y-E-R.
Dwyer.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
like that
Smith
name?
is much more easier.
Smith more easier?
yeah.
But Dwyer is a little bit more better for you.
No, then you have to change your name.
What? Change it to Smith? I could have your name.
Yeah?
Yeah. You wanna marry me?
No, I told
What's the
you.
problem? What's the problem?
I told you, man. You are a man and not a woman. That's the problem.
I'll dress up. I'll put on a dress.
A dress?
Yeah.
But you can't wear my clothes.
Yes, I wear that jean shorts.
No.
Yeah.
No, I'm slimmer than you.
Yeah, let me get a number. No problem. I can lose weight in 2 days.
Yeah?
See?
But I need long hairs. Most of the
Yes, I
women
can
have
put on
nice
wig.
long hairs.
I drop on a wig.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You will do everything.
I'll do everything for
And
you
then?
because you will be mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you don't have problems when you walk on the road like a woman.
No problem.
No
problem.
one will
Jamaica
beat
is
you
no
up.
problem.
No, for sure this will be a problem.
Jamaica is no problem.
Yeah. Okay. So.
So, Cashpot. Das ist mein Cashpot, der wieder rauskommt. Ich habe für 1 Uhr gespielt. Ich habe gespielt Police 13, Doppy 1. Ich habe gespielt Tief, die Nummer 5. Und ich habe gespielt den weißen Mann. Wo ist denn der? Der da. Nee, 23. Ach scheiße, ich habe glaube ich...
Nein, das ist der White Man.
Oh, ich habe glaube ich 23
Da
gemacht.
hast du Black Man gespielt. Ist eh besser als ein weißer Mann.